Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here. Boop.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, hello, super sunny day. What is up? Happy Thursday. So basically, I thrift a lot, and a lot of times what happens is I will thrift multiple times during one week, and I will try to film like a thrift with me, and sometimes it doesn't like really work out and I only find one thing, or I go thrifting and I'm not filming and I find stuff. And so it's a culmination of all those that have created this video today, which is a little collective thrift haul. All the stuff I've just accumulated the past 2 weeks. I went to the Roswell flea market. I went to Goodwill, found some super rad shoes. Oh, and I even got some Levi's in here. Got some pieces right here. Let's chat. Let's have some fun. I just want like a really chill video today because quite a little sleep deprived. So the first thing I actually got in last Wednesday's video. They are some Levi's. I got them from Savers. They were like almost $11. I think they were $11 to be honest, but I understand they're Levi's. Said in the video that I got them, but I never actually showed them, so I figured I would just show them first in here. Finding a good pair of Levi's secondhand that's not at like, you know, the Roswell flea market or like, I don't know, more like vintage shops, actually find it at like a specific secondhand thrift store. You know what I mean? I think it's a really rad thing. So I found these. They are the Levi's 505s. They are in the waist, which is 30, which are the same as my other pair, but those ones are 501s. My boyfriend and I actually looked up the differences between all the different like numbers, but I can truly say that I completely forgot. I don't really thrift a lot of black jeans. I just find it really difficult to find like a good pair of black mom jeans. It's funny because even like 2 years ago, me and like light wash was like not a thing whatsoever. So the fact that it's very rare for me to even thrift black mom jeans is insane, and these ones just fit so good, and I really like them because they are the straight leg. I'm really getting into like straight leg jeans. These are the 505 straight fit straight leg, and I really like them. I like them a lot. Then I got some pieces from the Roswell flea market. Now I didn't film it just because I was actually taking my boyfriend for the first time. He had never been, and I was like, I gotta show you my home, my heaven. I've been there now 4 different times and I still have yet to see the entirety of it. Everything I love is everywhere. Disney, Harley Davidson, denim, and I ended up only finding 2 things, but 2 things I really like. The first one I got is right here, and you can't really see just because of it being white and kind of overexposed. It 100% reminds me of something that you would find at Urban Outfitters. So amazing to find like secondhand versions. I believe it was only $10. There was like a rack that was just filled with shirts that were $10. I like flowers, I like plants. It is in a large, and it's just made with Delta cotton. Then I have been searching, I said it in a couple of videos ago, where I've been searching for a Harley Davidson shirt that has like this symbol right in the front. It's just so Harley Davidson, and I found kind of that on a blue tank top shirt that I got from like Plato's Closet, and it was similar, but it wasn't exactly what I was looking for. And so I saw this and I was like, I have to get this. It says on the back, Johannesburg, oh, South Africa. Harley Davidson with the stars, and this one, it doesn't actually have a tag on it. I believe it was $15, which I think is still pretty good, especially for this one being, you know, with the symbol and like all of that, especially because I was looking at a lot of Harley Davidson shirts, but I kind of stopped myself and was like, okay, but am I gonna wear this one? And once I found this, I was like, I'm good, I'm solid. Then I ended up going to Plato's Closet the other day, and whenever I go to Plato's Closet, like, I am specifically looking for trendier pieces. I watch a lot of thrifters, but also like non-thrifters, and I like can't help because of somebody's personality, like I'm gonna watch their videos, and a lot of people obviously do like fast fashion hauls, which is totally like, it's all good, you do you. But I did start to find that I was like, I need that. I was going on different like fast fashion websites, putting stuff in my cart, not buying anything, but just having it like in my cart. And basically before I decided to, you know, maybe buy that specific piece, because if you really love something and you know you're going to like, you know, get as much wear as you possibly can from it, it's definitely a personal choice. But basically I was like, you know what, let me keep it in the cart. Let me go to Plato's Closet. Let me just see if they have stuff that's similar. And they basically had the exact shirt I was looking for, which is kind of like this style from like Princess Polly. I just really liked the look of it. I have a bralette that is just gonna look so cute with it. This from Lilyful, and I think it was $10. Honestly, Plato's Closet prices are like, ooh. And it's just a very, oh, of course you can't really see it because it's overexposed, but it's white and it just ties in the front, and it's a very soft like Brandy Melville shirt type of fabric, and it is quite see-through, so that's why with this like white bralette under it, it's so cute. And that with some mom jeans, like I am living for it. This one I wasn't necessarily like looking for it, but I had seen it a couple times at Plato's Closet and I was like, okay, like it is kind of cute. I surprisingly really liked it. It's this kind of like crop top frilly shirt, and you're probably looking at it like, Alexa, first off, it's red. Number two, it has like frills on it. Like that's really girly, but I really liked the look of it with some blue jeans, and I am as surprised as you. It is in a small, so it's a little bit more like a crop top, and then it has a little tie in the front, and obviously summer is coming along, and you know, I can't always wear t-shirts. I need my arms to, you know, feel free. Honestly, I washed a lot of this stuff, so I can't remember exactly the price it was. I think it was about $10. Honestly, Plato's Closet always does Forever 21 items for $10, and I'm like, yo, it was probably only like 12. Why are you making it $10? Then there were actually a lot of pieces at Plato's Closet that I really liked. A lot of dresses, I know, weird. And I saw this one and I was like, okay, I just gotta try it on. And I was trying on two different denim dresses. One of them was tight and this one was loose. But this one is more of a baby doll denim dress. Overall dress, I don't really know, and it just looks like this, and it's just so cute, and it's so soft. It's made with a really nice material, and it kind of like goes out, and I don't have any denim overall dresses, and I felt like this one would be perfect. It does kind of make me feel like a 12-year-old, and I'm gonna be turning 25 in August, so I don't know how I feel about it, but also style has no age, so I'm still gonna wear it and flaunt it up. By a company called Mindcode, and it is in a medium. I think this one was like $15 or like $12. I don't know. It was up in the teens, which I was like, oh my gosh, like, do I really need to get this? But I tried it on like multiple times. Honestly, I feel so bad when I'm in Plato's Closet because I go back to the dressing room so many times because I can't decide. But anyway, I did really like it, and I tried it on with like a white t-shirt under, and I just really like the style of it. Then we got another pair of mom jeans. This was not on purpose at all. I was intentionally not going to the jeans section because obviously I thrifted a bunch of denim. Well, not a bunch, like only 3 pairs, but still, I thrifted some denim in Sunday's video, and I was like, I gotta like stay away, but obviously I can't stay away from it. I saw these and they were a little bit more expensive. I want to say they were $18, which is kind of crazy, but they fit really good and I really like them. It doesn't say the company that they are actually by. I think Legendary Gold, and they are just really interesting. They're not a very thick, like heavy denim material, and they also have this really random pocket like on the thigh, and then also inside it has these like buttons and elastic where you can, I think, make then the waist tighter. I feel like they were worth it, and I just really liked them, and I couldn't help it, and I couldn't say no. So now I have them. And then yesterday, my last little thrift trip, I went to Goodwill, which I went to the Goodwill that I went to with Carrie and our like lowest rated Goodwill video or thrift store, whatever. I didn't film just because I was just kind of going in there just to go in there because I haven't been in there since that video, and I'm quite surprised that I actually found one of my favorite things ever. Just wait. But this one, I'm actually also really surprised. It was only $3.99, and it is this just like really nice, like, I don't know, just reminds me of an angel. It's just such a nice chiffon material, and it's just this white dress with kind of like cutouts on it. And I was like, where would I wear this? Why do I need it? But then I was like, maybe somebody will invite me somewhere where I'll have to wear it. They had a black version, which I really liked, but then that one was $8.99, and I was like, okay, I could get this for half the price. It's really cute. There's no stains on it, which is insane. I would have thought that the white would have been more expensive, but surprisingly not. It does also have the like padding inside, so no bra, which is amazing. And then, oh my gosh, so I've said it before, I don't really go into the shoe section at thrift stores, or if I do, I don't really show it because I never find shoes at the thrift store. I am a size 9.5, going on a 10. Sometimes in some shoes, I can be an 11, which I'm like, what? If they're made a little bit smaller. These ones are just a tad loose, but I love them so much that like, I can still rock them. They are these chunky boots. Oh my goodness. I'm in Goodwill, going through the shoes. See these, like, they 100% remind me of a boot that would be on like Doll's Kill. The original tag in there was cut off, so it didn't say the price. And it was a green tag, and I swear, I think these were probably $8.99, but because the tag was cut off, when I went up there to buy them, they were like, oh, they're $15, and they got like a new tag and put it on the bottom. I love them so much that I didn't want them to go anywhere, so I am very, very happy about them. They are originally from American Eagle, and they are perfectly in a size 10. Really excited. You know, in my mind, I thought this video was gonna be like really short, but I definitely didn't realize how much I actually talk and also how much I love talking about thrift clothes. So hopefully you made it to the end. If you do like thrifting videos, thrift hauls, thrifting with me as much as I do, make sure you subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, alexasunshine83, to keep up to date with me during the week. And I will see you guys this Sunday with a brand new Sunny Sunday video. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!